Of the what?
You have hair like the look of Jesus.
Yes, guys. So we are in Coral Cliff. Is it Coral Cliff, Ashley?
Yeah.
What you think about it so far? Yeah.
There.
Oh, that's the creepy man you're talking about.
Yeah.
Creepy statue, man. Nice little garden, nice little area approaching from the parking lot. Coral Cliff, Montego Bay on the Hip Strip. Across the road from Margaritaville. And yeah, guys, it's called a cliff. See all them rocks? Yeah, so it's right, it's overlooking the harbor, the beach.
Good evening.
Yeah. Thanks for being alright.
Downstairs.
You're going downstairs?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going downstairs because you want to go play games. Upstairs is for gamblers and gamblers.
Yeah.
Downstairs is for want to take a photo there?
No.
Go there.
No.
Yeah, go to the rock. Yeah, got you. Come on. So my daughter, you want anything to eat? I'm hungry. Anyway, where do we go and buy the game tickets? Let's get some game tickets. What are you gonna play? What are you gonna play? So you have different games.
You see that yellow?
That duck.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
From where?
Five Nights at Freddy's. And then the purple bunny, that's bunny, no, the same thing. And Foxy's up there.
Oh.
I
Okay.
think Chloe has all of them.
Okay. So what game you want to play? So yes, guys. So if you're in Jamaica and you're on the Hip Strip, little games room for your little ones to come and enjoy. It's different games, different things. Yeah. Don't know what they're interested in playing. You wanna play this? Let's go pay for the tokens. We gotta go buy tokens first.
Oh, look at the picture.
So we're doing little circulation. I don't know. Depends.
I don't know means maybe.
Does it mean maybe?
Yes.
Yeah, guys. So that's a 360 view. Coral Cliff. Hi. So we need tokens for.
Games?
She want to do that one over there that you beat the thing down.
Oh, the Curry Party.
Yeah.
Right, you get a card for free, just put any amount of money on it, starting from 150 Jamaican dollar, or you can pay US. The games are in US $1 to $4, and some games is $1, $2, $3, and $4.
Oh.
Yes.
So we can put US dollars on it
Yes.
or Jamaican dollars. I'm gonna put $1,000 on it to start.
That will give you 6 years, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. There we go. So what, she just scanned them when...
Yes, you tap or swipe.
Okay. So this is yours. See? The card. And you'll use that. So at the end of the day, do we give you this back?
No, it's yours.
Oh, so you got a little souvenir also. So whenever time you go to a game, yeah, whenever time you go to a game, you can swipe it or tap it like a pay as you go. Cliff Montego Bay. Guys, this is Ipstrip, Bottom Road. Yeah, so this is Coral Cliff, refurbished. Nicely done. Very tourist populated area. You got the Margaritaville there. This is the Margaritaville Montego Bay. Tourists is. We've got the ocean. So, if you check the boardwalk over there. Yes guys, Bottom Road, Ipstrip, Montego Bay.